Do you agree with me that Wales is a nation with enormous untapped potential, but that for too long we've lacked a government with the ambition and the plan to realise it? Well, today, Plaid Cymru will launch our manifesto to set a new direction for Wales, not just to change what's broken, but to build a better, more confident Wales together. The most generous childcare offer in the UK, worth £30,000 per child to support families and tackle child poverty. Creating a Welsh wealth fund to make sure our communities profit from our resources. Strengthening the economy, spending more of our Welsh public money here in Wales, supporting businesses, bringing our housing stock up to scratch, protecting renters and making homes more affordable, cutting NHS waiting lists and speeding up treatment times, and ensuring every child leaves school with the fundamental skills they need to succeed. In this election, you have a choice: to continue with more of the same, or you could choose hope. Choose a Plaid Cymru government not just rooted in fairness, but driven by ambition and always standing up for Wales. Together we can forge a new path for our nation and build a better Wales for all.